welcome back to a new day in the life. Oh, it's early, it's 8 a.m. I am going to my detox appointment. I had a little car accident yesterday. I was driving and I was stopping for a red light, and I look at my back mirror and I see this car driving up a giant Jeep. The lady was just not braking the gas and she just fully crashed into me in the back of my car. The car is honestly fine. I am fine too, but my shoulder and my neck hurt so much. So I'm gonna go to an appointment right now just to get it double checked and like maybe reset a little bit, just a little bit worked on. But yeah, today's Friday. I have an exciting day. I need to go to Target. Love that. And then tonight I'm hosting a small intimate dinner at my place and I have some girls coming over. We're having recipes from the new summer challenge. Chef Jessie Barber is gonna cook, so it's gonna be really nice. Also, today's video is sponsored by Gérard, my favorite orange wine, which I will show you a little later. But let's go inside. It was my first time there. Wow, it feels so much better. She did some light work because we obviously don't want to pinch the nerves too much because they're already a little bit under tension. So sorry. I'm like sleepy. Okay, we're going to Target. I'm so excited to go to Target. I've been to Target in like weeks or months, so I was buying more stuff than I actually intend to do. But yeah, we're gonna find some placemats and some cute stuff for dinner tonight. From the grocery and I got some chicken soup. It's a little gloomy in LA and I feel this is like one of the most underrated items everyone has. I love it so much. Loads of veggies, which I always love, like zucchini and stuff, a really good broth, and then with chicken in it. Especially when I'm like tired, it like just fills my soul. You could easily make this at home, but Sophie and I are just getting some work done today, and we're gonna make some goodie bags for all the guests who are coming tonight. Chef Jessie should be here soon. Got back from the grocery store. I got a mix of different crackers and stuff, some like fruits and vegetables, and obviously a lot of cheeses. And then I also picked up my favorite wine. This is the orange gold from Gérard. As you guys know, it's my favorite orange wine. It's absolutely delicious. It is so fresh, almost like little exotic. Orange gold is made with organic grapes from France. The wine actually stands for a golden sunset. More perfect for today's challenge. Cannot find a better match. It pairs really well with cheeses, so I'm going to make a cheese board with some nuts, and yeah, we're really delicious. I am making a vegan cheese board. This one, Yvonne's Kitchen in LA, is absolutely amazing. We sometimes even order cheeseboard from them, but I really enjoy making it ourselves. Guys, we got our vegan cheese platter ready, also gluten-free. Got these delicious crackers, and then we just added on a lot of like fruits, some nuts. I'm very excited about this one. It's like a pea butterfly one, and of course we're gonna pair it tonight with the orange gold wine, so this will be very much a vibe tonight. I'm gonna quickly do my hair. So I washed my hair and it feels so soft right now. The shampoo I'm using, I'm actually gonna show it to you. So I have tried so many different like expensive shampoos and whatever because I have like very thin hair. This one from Garnier Whole Blends is literally like $5 or something, and I just get it at Target. Their shampoo and conditioner I use all the time, and it just works the best, especially the conditioner. Gets rid of everything. I am also quickly gonna Dyson my hair. I left my Dyson in a hotel room, and I told you guys earlier, and I literally figured it out 2 weeks later, so then it was too late to get it back because it was gone. But I ordered a new one, and it's a little bit of a different model actually, but I like it because it has one tool and you just change the function or the direction, while my old Dyson had 2 tools, so I had to switch it every time, so it's kind of like annoying. Here's what I do. It works best on like wet hair. It's still a little damp. This probiotic skin mist you can literally also put in your hair, so I'm just gonna make it a little damp. Sometimes I find it so much work to just do my hair, and then I'm like, holy shit, I cannot even imagine how girls do it when they have tons of hair. So I'm grabbing a little piece, and then I grab my tool. Okay, then you turn it off, and you let it cool for like 10 seconds, so you don't immediately take it off, and then you slowly take it out like that, and then you have like curl. And we're just repeating it piece by piece. Before and after. So yeah, now I just flip this right here, and then it goes to the other tool. Doing the front part is always my favorite because look, and then you stop it and it like gives this beautiful outward look. So yeah, when people ask me if the Dyson is worth the money, I would say 100%. Like, it is a really big investment, but if you don't lose it in any hotel rooms and you take care of it, it is amazing. Like, confidence boost goes up. Sometimes I put a little bit of hairspray. There's not a specific one that I like, but I'm just gonna use this. Yeah, it's definitely gonna look better in a couple hours when it just like sits a little bit, but for now I'm digging in. Okay, I don't mind the mess behind me. I just got this new pair of jeans. I am obsessed with them. They are from a brand called Dagmar. I don't know if it's Swedish or not, but they're really long, which I like a lot because it is really hard to find long jeans. Oh my god, I spilled. It's really hard to find long jeans. I get mine either from Kate, where I got this belt from. It is really beautiful, but the brand is very expensive. Or I get my jeans from Girlfriend Denim on Revolve. They have some high-rise boot cut, like really long ones. And then also ASOS. ASOS has amazing jeans under the tall section for people who are really tall. So there we go. So cute. We're just gonna figure out the table setting and stuff quickly right now. And then to get ready, I also need to find an outfit. Oh my god. All of this here are packages from my Theresa and whatever, all stuff for the wedding. that I'm trying to fit here. Yeah, definitely need to go through all of that too. Big mess. Alrighty. Chef Jesse just arrived in the kitchen. He's full prep mode. Hi Jesse. What are we making today?
I am making right now a gluten-free pappardelle.
Oh my god, guys, look.
Rolling it out in between sheets.
Homemade pasta. What is the base of the flour?
It's a teff and psyllium husk. There's a little bit of buckwheat for binding, and then we're serving it with roasted greens and a basil pesto.
Oh my god, delicious. We're gonna set the table. I got some new placemats from Target today, and then all these beautiful ceramics I found on Instagram through Sophie. It is from the brand called By Bassett, and she sources everything vintage. Every piece is like super unique, and I feel this is very much the summer vibe. I am going to link it in the description and also here so you can check it out. Let's play day.
Chicken leftovers, all the like those little bits and stuff that are like on the pot on the bottom. It's what the French call fond, which means foundation or base. This into a pan, it's called a tan sauce, and this is going to finish the chicken with a little bit of mustard, garlic, and capers. You can smell it.
Amazing.
Doesn't that smell so good? And that's just the herbs, the garlic, and the onions. With the chicken fond.
Wow. Okay, the girls are almost here, and I still need to pick an outfit. They're literally gonna be here in 10 minutes, so I need to wrap it up really quickly. All the food preparations are ready, but let me check quickly what we are doing to wear. I kind of set a theme, like summer chic, whatever. However, it's kind of cold in LA. It's like gray and gloomy. But I was thinking, I don't know, either we do this white top or we do this dress. You know, it's always so funny. No, it's not funny at all. You know, guests will come with like really cute outfits, and we have a no shoe policy in the house. So sometimes girls come with like cute little mini skirts, and like the shoes are the statement of their look. And then I make everyone take off their shoes, and just, I don't know. It's just always, I always feel so bad. Even now, I feel kind of weird wearing a dress and then not wearing shoes underneath. So I'm kind of like, okay, am I wearing my house slippers or am I gonna put no shoes in? I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna try it on quickly. I actually really like this dress. I'm just gonna put my hair down. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna do no shoes for this and just bare feet. I think this is kind of nice. It's kind of warmish, but it's still summery. It is from the brand Significant Other, and I really like it. I'm gonna put some jewelry on, put my hair down, and then everyone is here onto a lovely night. We're actually celebrating the launch of the summer challenge for Soul Sink Body. It'll be really fun to bring, I don't know, like-minded people together. I feel I'm always into like host and like chat. It is really fun to interact with people who are also in the wellness space and just have like a really fun night and evening. So that's what we're gonna do. Katsu! Katsu! It's an orange wine from France.
Yeah.
Come on, strength. Oh my god. You're almost there.
I wasn't trying to mansplain on the comment.
You weren't. Oh my god, stunning. Good, right? Oh wow. Okay, everyone is here. I have my delicious orange wine. Everyone was like so impressed by it. It was like, wow, this is the best thing to start our night off with. It is so fresh, vibrant colors, a vibrant taste, super delicious. I'm actually gonna link Gérard down below, and you can also sometimes find it in your local store. Just like head over to the website and check it out. Yeah, Jisoo showed up. Oh my gosh. How did you know? How did you know?
The Italian flag. The Mexican flag.
Guess who was not invited to
I was
girls'
invited.
night?
I love you. Good job. That was so cool to watch.
It was so fun.
And she see.
But I'm so tired right now. My shoulder does feel so much better.
Yeah, you're gonna be just fine. You're strong. You can-
No, you're not gonna fart right now. End of the video.